Hello YouTubers, welcome. Today's topic top 5 upcoming mobiles in between 150 to 200 USD and if it comes to INR 10,000 to 15,000. Number 1, Xiaomi Redmi Note 6. It has an Android V 8.0 Oreo, Snapdragon 636 and it has a RAM 3GB, display 6.26, screen IPS LCD. If it comes to camera, dual rear camera 12MP plus 5MP, front camera 8MP with digital zoom, internal storage 32GB, expandable storage up to 128GB, battery 4000 mAh. Number 2, Honor 9X. It has a Android V 8.0 Oreo. It has a Kirin 659. RAM is 4GB. It supports Volte dual SIM. Display is 5.84 inch. Screen IPS LCD. If it comes to camera, dual rear camera 13MP plus 2MP. Front camera 16MP with digital zoom. Internal storage 64GB. Expandable storage up to 256GB. Battery 3000 mAh. Number 3, Huawei Y7 Prime. It has a Android V 8.0 Oreo, Snapdragon 430, RAM is 3GB, display is 5.99 inch, screen IPS LCD. If it comes to camera, dual rear camera 13 plus 2MP, front camera 8MP with digital zoom, internal storage 32GB, expandable storage up to 128GB, battery 3000 mAh. Number 4, Nubia V18. It has an Android V 8.0 Oreo, Snapdragon 625, RAM is 4GB, display 6.01 inch, screen IPS LCD. If it comes to camera, rear camera 13MP, front camera 8MP with digital zoom, internal storage 64GB, expandable storage up to 128GB, battery 4000 mAh. Number 5, Vivo Z1 Lite. It has an Android V 8.1, Snapdragon 625, RAM is 4GB, it supports Volte dual SIM, display 6.26 inch, screen IPS LCD. If it comes to camera, dual rear camera 16 plus 2MP, front camera 16MP with digital zoom, internal storage 32GB, expandable storage up to 256GB, battery 3260 mAh. Thanks for watching.